फ्लैश लाओगे फ्रेम में?
ये फ्लैश है खाली.
The shape as you walk. Yeah.
picture.
Flexible. Thank you.
सर अभी ऐसा करोगे, बीच में आता है फ्रेम में आपके, कैमरा बीच में आता है आपका फ्रेम में, तो
इतना देर थे था ना आप.
हाँ नीचे रहना अभी जरा.
ये लपड़े मत करो रे.
Except for yes, this is amazing.
हाँ, फ्लैश है ना खाली तुझे.
अजून and they're so comfortable and I think women especially, this is for women, but most of you girls are gonna love this because these are amazing for shopping. Yes. Amazing for shopping. So if you're like me and you like to shop, and I shop for 7 hours sometimes, you know, people go a little crazy if they're with me. So these are unbelievably comfortable. Unbelievably. And I actually have a bum ankle, so this is amazing for me. It's got great support. It's got a big sofa.
थोड़ा नीचे बैठो ना
It's
सर.
got a lot of
सर
support.
थोड़ा नीचे. हाँ बस.
Love it.
Thank you,
About
sir.
time. About time.
सर एक जूते के साथ दिखाना था दोनों. please.
जूता मारो सर पे.
हाँ ये.
धक्का कशाला मारतो तू?
ये धक्का नको मारू ए.
अरे कॅमेरा लागला हे भाई.
एक मध्ये तुम्ही येऊन उभे राहायला फालतू मध्ये.
तू किती गर्दी करतो भाई. अरे अबा तू लय हे करतोय यार, खरं सांगतो असं नाही करायचं.
Can we get the booms now?
कॅमेरा लागला डोक्यात.
पहिला बाहेर तर निकाल होता.
Eliana, tell us your collaboration with Skechers.
Well, I've had a personal equation, I think, with Skechers for a few years now. I've bought a lot of their shoes from America, and I've loved it. I've absolutely loved it. I think they're the most comfortable shoes I've worn, and for me, especially, comfort's a real must. As much as I want to look stylish, I mean, I'm a proper 90s kid, you know, so for us, fitness wear is a little boring. Like, we remember those kind of shoes we used to wear in school, and if you want to be really comfortable, normally fitness shoes aren't that good looking. So I've always looked at Skechers because Skechers have really cool shoes and super comfortable as well, and I love this particular one. So when they told me that they wanted me to help them with the launch, I was like, yes! So I get access to the new shoes, which was amazing, and they're super comfortable. Like, I could live in these all day.
Which colors do you look for in shoes?
It took me so long to choose which ones to wear. I love them all. I was just like, should I wear the pink ones? Should I wear the blue ones? Should I wear the green ones? I actually, you know, normally I'm not much of a color person. You normally see me in black and white, like monochrome colors, but when it comes to shoes, I like going a little funky. So I love the fact that I would never normally wear neon and green, but I love this. This is so cool. You see this? This is so cool.
What is your definition about fashion?
I think fashion is an extension of yourself. So whatever you wear, whether you could be super glamorous one night, and one night you could be just in track pants or something. But whatever it is, it's just an extension of yourself. So just a little bit of yourself coming across in your clothes. So for me, it's something comfortable. I can be super comfortable one days and I can be super stylish some days. So I like the fact that Skechers is both actually. It's comfortable and stylish.
Absolutely.
So it's the perfect blend for me.
Any upcoming projects?
Yes, I have Rustam coming up with Akshay. And you look really nervous. And she looked like really nervous when I said Rustam. I should be nervous, yeah.
So how was your experience working with Akshay?
It was amazing. It was really amazing, and I think he's one of those few actors he's an underrated actor. He's a superstar, but I think he's an underrated actor. So I loved it. I think I've had the most amazing on-screen connection with him. We've got amazing chemistry on screen, so touch wood. It does well. I hope you guys like it. You're gonna love him in it, but I hope you like me too. So I'm very excited.
Okay, so what do you like to choose? To be trendy, look trendy, stylish, or to be comfortable?
All in one. All in one, because as much as I like dressing up, I can't be one of those people who's very uncomfortable. It'll show on my face and I'll just be frowning throughout. And I've actually done this a couple of times where I've worn high heel shoes and I've taken them off and I've walked barefoot. So I think for me, comfort is a real must. And you can really mess your knees up if you don't wear comfortable shoes. So
That's why Skechers.
please, yes.
How many pairs of Skechers you like to?
Oh my God, I have about 4 right now. And I'm guessing I'm going to have 4 more now.
More coming.
They're coming up with something new. Like, I think every year they come up with something new. So I'll be coming back. More like they'll be coming back to me. So
She's a friend of the brand.
big
No
up,
problem.
big friend. So Yeah, you can ask him about the whole technology of the shoe because I have never seen shoes that do this. I mean, and like this. This is like totally
Absolutely flexible.
like like is that right when they're holding something?
Oh yeah.
Totally, no?
So basically, if you look at the design, the entire thing is completely deconstructed. Yeah, so if you see the sole, it's completely deconstructed. And this really helps in terms of when you're walking, when you're moving around your feet, it gives you complete flexibility, which probably you won't see in any other shoes.
And I want to add, actually, I'm super comfortable. I'm super clumsy as a person, very clumsy, and I try not to show it to you when you have the cameras rolling. But I'm very clumsy, and I twist my ankle very, very easily. So this is actually one pair of shoe I've come across where I've never twisted my ankle. Touch one. It actually supports you in a weird way.
Yeah.
It seems almost,
Correct. So
Yeah.
it really fits in your feet. It has got the Yoga Mat technology, which gives you a lot of cushion and rebound. Okay.
feels like you're
and-
wearing a pillow.
Yeah. And this is entirely Resolite, which is a patented compound of Skechers. So it gives you a lot of rebound, a lot of energy when you walk, and because of this construction,
It pumps you up.
it just walks with you. Yeah.
Awesome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys. Okay.